Have you ever wondered how businesses on Facebook manage to DM everybody who comments on their Facebook posts so that they can sell them later? If you have, then this video is made for you because in this video, I'm going to explain how to set up a simple automation that will text anybody who comments on your Facebook or Instagram post. This approach that I'm going to share with you has helped many businesses that I have worked with to get more leads from existing Facebook and Instagram posts, to improve their ads, to grow their email list, to actually fulfill any goal with getting more leads. All right, so the setup consists only of 4 steps. We will need to first register an account on ManyChat, a platform that will allow us to create this automation. Then we'll need to connect our Facebook page to this account that we just created. Thirdly, we'll need to create a trigger for an automation. And lastly, we will craft a message that we want to send every time trigger is fired. So let's get into it. Let's go through each of the steps one step at a time. All right, so the first step in the process of setting up this automation is to go on a website called manychat.com and register an account here. This platform is actually the website that allows us to create such automations. The registration process here is pretty simple. You just need to follow the steps, 2 to 3 steps. So the first one, it asks us which channel we want to use first. So for our automation I was talking about is primarily for Instagram and Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up for a Facebook page. So, but the process with Instagram is pretty much the same. So we go with Facebook. We'll need to connect our page. Yeah, and it's connected with my page on Facebook. All right, so the first step is done. The next step is to choose a page that we want to have our automation on. So here, to do that, we inside our account, we click on Add New Account. Then we choose Facebook Messenger. And here, it will show you the list of all of the pages that are associated with your Facebook account. For this video specifically, I have created a sample test for Facebook page called Cleaning Service Austin. So I will want to connect precisely this one. So I click connect. Takes some time. Yeah, start with the free plan. It's going to ask us some questions, again, just because they want to know what their users are. We're going to say business use, short term, whatever. Right, so we successfully connected our Facebook page. So the second step is also done. So now we can start and create our automation. To do that, we click on Automation tab on the left sidebar, and here we click on Create a New Automation. So it suggests us to use a template. We don't want to do that. We'll start from scratch. Right. So here is the most basic automation that you can have. Any automation starts with specific thing called trigger. So the trigger is actually the condition under which automation will be started. So in our case, our trigger is when somebody comments under our post on Facebook. So here on this widget, we can click New Trigger. And there is a list of many different events that can be the condition under which our automation starts working. So you can see here, user can click on our Facebook ad and we'll start automation, or using comments on our post, which is actually what we want to use in this tutorial. User sends a message, user clicks referral link, many different events, pretty much any interaction that is possible from the user side. Okay, so we're going to choose here user comments on our post. Right. And here, a menu popped up, and so we can do a setup for this trigger. So here, the first optionality that we have, we can choose either or a specific post or any post. For this specific tutorial, I want to target a specific post, and that is what you usually do. And now we will select a publication. So on my Facebook page, I have created a test publication, test post. So here it says promotions, get a free cleaning for yourself. Comments down below the keyword to claim your free cleaning. So we're actually going to choose this publish post. So I've chosen it. Yeah. And here we have a second condition for the trigger. We can either fire an automation anytime anybody comments anything under this post, or we can target a specific word. As I said previously, in this post, I want to target this specific keyword. So what I'm going to use is select comment contains specific words, and I'm going to add a keyword, which is free tree. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So there is also some setup like track first level comments only or public auto response and feed. I wouldn't want to choose this, but you feel free to play with it, with those ones. Okay, so we click save, and it is saved. So we have set up the trigger, and the last step in creating an automation is to configure the message that we want to send in the DM. So to do that, we click on add text. You already can see here that there is a step that is called send message. Just need to click add a text, click on here, and we have this menu where we can add pretty much anything we want to this message. We can type text, we can add buttons, we can set audio, files, media, many different things. Very important step here is, because otherwise our automation won't work, is to select here not send within 24 hours window. It is their default option, but we would need to select as comment reply. So we're going to send this message as a comment reply. So here we're going to type in some basic stuff. Okay, so I have typed in some basic text here. So, hi, this is Austin Cleaning Services. You have commented under our post. To claim the free gift, please click the button below. And in the bottom below, we're gonna name it go to website. And we're gonna put our website link. So here, ideally, you wanna put your website's URL, but we're gonna put just google.com because this makes sense, just to test it out. Okay, so we click down. Yep, and have set up this message, so we're pretty much done with it. Yeah, and our automation is ready to go. The only thing that is left is to make it live, and to make it live, we just click set live. Automation is live. Okay, so let's test it out. Okay, we go to our Facebook page. This is the sample Facebook page that I have created. Yeah, and let's comment something here. Let's comment free tree. So we got a message. Here you go. Hey, this is Austin Cleaning Services. You can comment under one of our posts to get a free cleaning. Please go to the website. Yeah, and if you click the button, we go to google.com. Yep. So it's working. So guys, as I told you in the beginning, very simple automation to set up, takes only 15 minutes, and you instantly get more leads. So definitely worth implementing and worth your time. This is pretty much it. Well, we covered how to create these basic automation. There are also more complex ones. There are automation that carry out all of the conversations, all of the inbound that you have on a social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, and just this automation they sell for you. They use an AI to sell for you so that you don't need to do any conversations yourself, and you can focus on other things. If you want to know how to set up complex automations, like I just mentioned, just let me know, and I'm going to create a video similar to this one, explaining each step of how to create this one. I'll be happy to serve it. Yeah. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching.